And friends, we are back, our first Disney park of this trip. With my parents here in the background, we are back at Epcot. Let's go, join me on another Zeus adventure. When I say I'm back, that's because I'm back at the Disney parks as a reactivated pass holder. I did get my annual pass at Disney Springs, so we are ready to come back all year. And since I did miss all last year, this is my first time at Epcot with all the different openings. The middle section, Moana, I have not seen those till now. And sure, I haven't taken a picture with Walt himself right here. But yeah, this is the whole middle section here. It's actually been under construction for the longest time. I think the first time that I came out here, 2019, it was open, but it was different. I think they had like a water fountain in the middle or something like that. Oh no, it's starting to sprinkle now. But then after that, everything was just boarded up, walls came up. I don't think there was rain in the forecast. Hopefully it just rains for a little bit, if it does, because I didn't bring an umbrella. All right, did get my swag for Epcot shirt. Oh, you can't see it. You're ready.
By mechanical motion capture and intuition. In fact, it can take years of training before a Nova Corps member can pilot a Star.
All right, friends, a little bit of bad luck. We've been broken down for about 30 minutes maybe. We're at Guardians of the Galaxy queue. All right, so they decided to remove us. They're gonna give us a lightning lane so we can come back later. Waited about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. Oh no, it looks like test track is being worked on. Maybe remodeled. Guess no test track today. It is Epcot's International Food and Wine Festival out here. And so, celebrating Food and Wine Festival, we are gonna watch a new show out here called Luminous, right behind me. It's a nighttime show, starting at 9 o'clock. The last time I was out here, they had a temporary one called Epcot Forever, I think it was, because they had just finished doing the past big show called Harmonious, I think it was. Which was a really cool show. I'm not too sure why they got rid of it, but I know a lot of people were complaining about how huge it was in the middle and it was blocking like the scenery. But I don't see the difference with this right here. It's a little bit smaller. And the past show, I know like the edges, like the arms would lift up and like throw water. They had water cannons spraying water all over the place with lights, fireworks. I mean, I really like the show. We'll see how this one is. But like I said, Food and Wine Festival, we'll have ourselves a drink once we get into the other pavilions. And Billy Ocean is gonna be at that concert hall right in front of America, or colonial America out there. Should be a fun day. Besides them canceling Guardians on us, but it's been fun. Nice weather. It's a little bit windy, not so hot. As you can see, I have my pants on. Be careful when you come to Epcot because you pass all the different food vendors from all different countries, and you just want to try everything. Starts getting a little pricey, trying different foods and drinks. All right, we got our pan de elote. See? Down for it. Pan elote, cornbread topped with chocolate sauce and queso fresco. All right, we're trying our first snack, and me and Dad got ourselves some margaritas from Mexico. So cheers. We're gonna eat some empanadas, nachos with guacamole, and some supreme nachos. Oh yeah, looks super delicious. All right, so we're kind of sharing. Got the 3 empanadas. We're gonna start out with the empanada and see how it tastes. There's like some kind of crema, sour cream. Yep, just like a quesadilla. ¿Cómo les llamas? Las quesadillas empanizadas. It has cheese inside, just like a quesadilla. Just like a quesadilla. The empanadas cost $14.75, of course, with tax. Guacamole and chips, $12, and nachos, $15.50. Though the empanadas do come with rice and beans. And I think those are black beans. Are those black beans?
Black beans, they're good.
Pretty busy out here at Epcot today. It is a Monday. Just look at this. I don't know who said that Disney World was empty. I'll tell you, it's not empty over here. It's pretty packed. Tomorrow we are doing Magic Kingdom. We'll see how Magic Kingdom is on a Tuesday. But geez, I'm so freaking full of nachos and empanadas. I'm like already sleepy. We just kind of started over here. We really haven't done anything besides eat. Guardians broke down on us. Probably have to go back all the way over there if it even opens. So we just passed Norway. We're here in China now. You know what I was thinking? Since it is October, it's gonna be Halloween. I was thinking maybe around the different countries, they should put like a famous monster from each country. Like let's say Mexico, they could have like stuff from Chupacabras or La Llorona, and like I don't know what other countries have their own thing going on. But wouldn't that be cool, you know? Because they don't have no Halloween stuff over here. It's like nothing. Walking into Germany, my favorite place to get me some drinks. I usually get me the lemonade slushy with a Jägermeister, but we did just finish drinking a margarita, so I'm just gonna wait a bit because I'm not an alcoholic. Let's go check out this place really quick. Look at all the decorations they got going on. Germany has a Christmas shop. All the Germany figurines here. But we're gonna get ourselves some candy, salted caramel cream, soft caramels. So we're just looking for a register because they're pretty busy out here. Just trying to buy some candy. So the cool thing about the different countries around here, if you haven't seen my other vlogs, is that each cast member represents the country. So we're here at the Germany Pavillion. Cast members will be from Germany. You see their name tags, will say the city they're from in Germany. So that's pretty cool. Mexico, you see all the cast members. The person I paid my food to was from Guadalajara, and the girl I picked up the food from was from Mexico City. So pretty cool, I think. These two?
Yes, sir. Anything else for you?
That'll be it. What is this, chocolate?
Yes, it's chocolate with rum.
With rum?
Yes.
Oh, let's try that. Well, I have two.
Two of those?
No, we only have a sparkling one.
And also, do you take the annual pass?
We only have like a sparkling one.
Yeah, for the sweets only, because we don't take
It's the only sparkling one.
discounts for alcohol.
Oh, so only for these, yeah.
So just for these.
That's fine.
Yep.
What is this?
That's like aspa chocolate. So it's also
It's also chocolate? Okay. Cool. You got the little packets right here. You got individuals. All right, Dad, so are you full from the nachos?
Loaded.
They're bloated. So you would say we don't have room for some chocolate? It's not regular chocolate, it's chocolate with rum inside.
Hopefully it's not too strong on the chocolate.
Oh, you don't like chocolate, I forgot.
Dark chocolate.
I don't know what kind of chocolate it is. This has somebody there. I don't know if it's Mozart.
Oh,
Like strong chocolate or alcohol?
it's like a black chocolate.
Alright, I am full from the nachos, but I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it doesn't make me sick. You wanna try it, Mom? I'm waiting for the taste. Maybe I have COVID.
It doesn't have taste. At the beginning, it tastes like strong chocolate, and then it goes away.
I guess I was just waiting for the dark chocolate to kick in, but it tastes like regular chocolate. And I can't taste no liquor on it, but you did say it had rum in it.
I don't feel the rum.
Pretty good chocolate though.
I think it's because of the tequila.
It's so weird that I'm so full, but just passed through this booth and it smells like seafood. Like shrimp, camarones. And it just smells so good that it made me hungry again, but how? I'm so full. All right, so it does look like the concert has started. They usually do like 3 shows or maybe 2. I'm gonna try to walk fast over there because if it is the last show for today, I don't want to miss it. It did start already though. really don't know who Billy Ocean is, but I think I've heard of one of the songs. Checked out Spotify. The #1 song I've heard before, which is called Caribbean Queen. Alright, it does look like there's going to be another show because there's already people on standby to watch the next one. Standby entrance. Let's see this. 5:30, 6:45, 8 p.m.
Go to the Caribbean. So let's go. Caribbean queen, now we share in the same dream, and our hearts empty as one. No, 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 oh baby.
And while that was Billy Ocean here at the E to the Beat for today's concert, he also played yesterday. But today's his last day. One more show to go. We're gonna skip it and go check out the other countries. Man, I love Epcot. Great place to hang out. Look at the Epcot ball over there. Spaceship Earth. We're all set up here. Got the camera on the tripod. Ready to watch Luminous. And it does look like Guardians has opened, but now I only have a choice of either the Fireworks or Guardians. What to do, what to do. I'm already all set up here though.
When we are born, we come into this world a raw noise. Cradled in tenderness, we tune ourselves to the world around us.
got Japan Pavilion. Hopefully next year we can make that trip out to Tokyo, Osaka. And maybe some cities around. Kyoto. I know the China Pavilion has like stuff on their Disneyland out there, but I'm not too sure. I've never checked here at Japan. Maybe I should have done that since I'm interested of heading out there soon. Les Chefs de France. You are in the France Pavilion now. People still eating in there. The Tower Eiffel. Eiffel Tower back there. It's so dark in here now. I mean, just look at that thing. It looks like a freaking power plant. I think the one from Harmonious looked a lot better because it had like LED screens. Is that UK? What's this over here? Communicore Hall. Did I say that right? Oh, they got a little grassy area here that I'm walking through. I mean, I like the area. It's pretty cool. It's really recreational, like you're at a park. Mickey and France. Whenever you visit characters or meet and greet. Well, friends, that's gonna do it for today here at Epcot. Parents, tomorrow we're gonna do the Magic Kingdom. But yeah, that is it. Look at the beautiful Epcot ball, Spaceship Earth. So beautiful. We'll see you on tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's adventure will be Magic Kingdom. Well, this was a Zeus adventure, guys. Good night.